Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Sweeby Infant Changing Table with Changing Pad. A game changer for parents looking to make diaper changes a breeze. This innovative changing table features a 4-level adjustable height, ranging from 32.68 to 35.04 inches, designed to save your back and provide comfort for parents between 4.8 and 6.0 feet tall. With its portable design, you can easily assemble, fold, and move it around thanks to its universal wheels, making it perfect for even the smallest nurseries. The water-resistant changing pad cover is easy to clean, eliminating the need for an extra pad, while the sturdy steel frame and quality fabric ensure a safe and stable environment for your baby. The Sweeby Changing Table also boasts a large storage organizer, complete with a bottom shelf, side basket, and clothes rail, keeping all your baby essentials within arm's reach. Tested to meet CPC and CPSC, ASTM standards, this non-toxic, phthalate-free, and BPA-free product is a must-have for new parents and makes a fantastic baby shower gift. For any inquiries or free replacement parts, Sweeby Customer Service is ready to assist, ensuring you have a seamless experience with this exceptional nursery furniture. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.